Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox Series X to a computer monitor to play video games. This is really easy to do. Now, most days, most of these computer monitors are using HDMI, so you can just connect this to the back of your Xbox just like this. It'll be just like plugging in a TV. So you can see all these different inputs right here. So this one is for my Xbox. So I have it routed through the HDMI cable all the way over to my Xbox over there, and then I have it routing through my capture card as well. So if you can find a computer monitor that uses HDMI, this will make this entire process extremely easy. Now the most important thing is to have it on the correct input. So on my LG monitor, I have to press this button and then go to input right here, and then I have HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or display port. So mine is under HDMI 2, and you can see my Xbox on the screen right here. So make sure you have this selected, otherwise you will just have a black screen that says no signal or something like that. So it's very similar to a TV just to use. And then you can set it up in the Xbox settings and go to the home screen here. Go to settings, go to general, go to TV and display. Then we can go to resolution and increase the resolution. And if you have a 120 Hertz or 144 Hertz monitor, there will be an option for refresh rate right here. And you can bump it up to a higher refresh rate. And we can go to where it says video modes. And then we can go to allow 4K, allow HDR, auto HDR, and then auto low latency mode if we have that option. Variable refresh rate, allow YCC 422. So just check mark these options right here as well, and you should be good to go. Also calibrate HDR for the games. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.